the sacrifice at your hands, for the praise and glory of His name, for our good and the good of all children.
Okay, are you ready?
Amen.
The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit, up your heart and just.
It is really right. Thanks for our holy right word whom we may all thank. Whom his hands as we do his passion. First to break the bonds of death and manifest.
Everyone is invited.
Hi! Okay, let's go for the vlog.
Yung sister ko nag-book sa amin na ito yung sa amin. Ito ba yun? Ako pag may nakakaba, wala lang sa atin. Pero pag may nakakaba,
Oo, okay. Kasi na-anticipate ko na baka ma-medical.
pero parang if I really wanted it, I would have gone through it a long time ago. Beses na ako nalipasan ng opening eh. Pero yung guest admin girl, dati ang kaya ako
Tawid dito?
Kasi parang typical Chinese, all same lang sila.
Okay.
classmate ang dad ko actually.
Amazon.
Ginagawa ko siya yung nakaraan. Mas nagsisipit yung friend niya. Sabi niya, ang galing daw ng ginagawa ko sa iPad. Sabi ko, hindi.
Doon ko talaga binuwag sila. May malaking fountain sa harap. Ito na kapatid ko. Ito mo, i-book mo dito malapit sa school na to. Yun pala maliit. There's heavy feeling.
HR manager for next week. Wala daw siyang nakita, kaya pala walang response. What? And then
Wow.
Masarap na naman. Kaya otherwise, dati dito namin sa service center. Ito?
Designated yes, account person.
Sinabi si Albert.
may 900 pa.
Okay.
So, ganito yun.
Ah.
Pagka,
Sa Mitolay na naman.
syempre,